Konnichiwa. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. For today's recipe, I'm gonna share with you is everyone's favorite, the chicken adobo. Today, I'm gonna show you how I make my chicken adobo for a change by using the Sprite and adding the mushroom. So, with no further ado, let's get started. Recipe today. Try to make this. It is really good, guys. Try it, promise. And thank you for watching. See you on my next videos. Mata ne!